I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
Alright, welcome back, guys. Doing a rifle video finally. I know I've said I was going to do it for a while, and here we are. And it's finally about how I like it, so here it is. We'll start off with the sling. Sling is a Faro Concepts slingster in Camp Arid with a Blue Force Gear universal hook attaching it. I just have paracord wrapped around the stock there, so I can move from shoulder to shoulder. The front is a QD. I like the QD pretty close to the magwell, just because I don't like my sling too far forward, getting caught up on my hand while I'm holding it. The upper receiver is all stag arms, so the bolt, the upper, the barrel, the rail I think is some other contracted Chinese company, I don't know what it is. The wrap was done by myself. This is just Tiger Stride BDUs that I cut up, wrap some paracord around. I have a Streamlight HLX on a little Haley offset mount, pressure pad on top, and then just an A2 flashlighter. The hand stop is Magpul. I also have some Magpul rail scales in there to keep it from heating up. On top, I have a SIG Tango MSR 1-6 LPVO with a Holosun. I don't know the exact designation, but it's the solar version of the red dot. So that's the optics. I like to keep 20 round magazines when I'm running around doing this kind of stuff, just because when you get nice and prone to the ground, those 30 round mags can kind of make you stick up a little bit. So I like running around with 20s in the gun, and then I switch to 30s as the fight develops. I like to keep a bad lever on it, just shave off a couple seconds on the reload. Internally, I have a CMC trigger and I think an Aero Precision lower parts kit. Like I said, the bolt and everything in the upper was a single built Stag Arms upper. I think it was the Stag 16. Barrel's 16 inches and it's 16. It's not pinned and welded. It's 16 inches plus the flash fighter. Magpul MOE grip back here. Mil-spec buffer tube, mil-spec buffer, nothing crazy in there. The lower, I get a lot of questions about the lower. It's a ATX Armory Billet 40, I think is the designation. It's just an aluminum billet lower I found used at a gun store at one point, and I slapped it together. It's worked fine for me for the last couple of years. That being said, this is my only rifle, so the concepts I was going for when setting this up is just kind of a do-everything rifle. I like the tall red dot style, and then if I need to get a little more distance, I can lower down and get into that LPVO. 90-degree throw on the safety. I don't much like the 45s. I feel like they get caught on your gear and are easily switched on, just like me. That's about all. Thank you guys for watching.